Annual Cake Show in Bengaluru is an annual event which was started approximately 48 years ago by a single structural edible cake model made by Mr. C. Ramachandra. The Annual Cake Show has gained tremendous popularity. The creative themes showcased in the exhibition has also grown in number. IBCA, along with Baker Smart's endeavor, is to give all creatives a platform, namely trainers, students, and team of sugar craftsmen. The ideas are conceptualized 6 months ahead of this event as they try to understand the nature of the 3D sugar cake structures and recreate them in the most lifelike manner using various edible materials. This year's theme has been designed around good over evil, nature and harmony, history and remembrance.
This year, I think our challenge was the largeness and the intricacy of the creativity within the cake show. And every year the cake show is always challenging, but this year we said we'll do good and evil, nature and harmony, history and remembrance. This is something that we felt we could kind of give back to our customer clientele or people who are interested to see art as a form. And sugar has always been our personal passion, and the entire team of 20 plus students, trainers, as well as the sugar art artists, we all could put together, have kind of done the, one of the interesting thing is Sri Rama, which is a depiction out of Belur. But Shushrut has been one more interesting concept because we as Indians are proud to also kind of present something which is our own, which is the father of Indian surgery, and we've actually made the tools that he would have thought of using. Actually, while researching itself, we found it so interesting, the kind of tools he would have used, and we had to remake them with sugar. So these are the challenges. Behind me, you could also see the goddesses of Berenia, which is basically the independence statue at Kiev. And this statue basically showcases the strength, and it's at Ukraine. So we kind of feel proud of showcasing these kind of details, intricacy with sugar dough, which is fondant, gum paste, as well as we've used a lot of edible lace as well as wafer paper. So these are all edible materials that we showcase with of course keeping in mind the food colors and the acceptance in the market. I think you should be open enough to see certain kind of creation which is out of this idea. Like one of the cakes we've done is snake under the eagle shadow, and which is actually coming out on the cake, and the cake basically has a Moroccan art tiles is the cake, and the tree shoot is out of the cake with the snake. Now people might look at it on a negative note, but basically when we read and did our research, we found both snake and the eagle adds to our personal strength, and in all the cultures it is basically a matter of strength, and that's how we kind of showcased our work.
Santanu from Assam actually. I was here long back, but I'm back again, and this is my cake. These 3 columns are Rice Krispies, and the base is cake, plum cake, and these domes are actually fruit cakes. These faces are and the boards are all Rice Krispies, and at the back, the white part, that's a lace, edible lace. Everything is edible. These are all wafer seeds. These all are wafer seeds. This is the only thing which is hollow. Everything else is complete. This is a hollow with fondant, and these are oats grinded out. These are like edible sugar balls and everything. These are edible pearls. You get these nowadays. This blue part, this powder, this is wafer paper, I think. And all those flowers and what can I say? These bubbles, these are actually chocolate, tempered chocolate.
How many days? What was the concept? Why?
Yeah, the concept is something we were like, I've been recently reading about this coral reefs are all dying out, right, near Marine Drive and everything. People have been doing that. I don't know exactly, but it's something I read in a blog. So thought we should do something about it. Let the people know how beautiful it is, and it's dying. And it took me around almost 2 months for the base structure. Base structure is actually last week, but all these accompaniments and everything are like 2 months overall.